Hey, what's going on, everybody? Super excited to be here. Thanks for coming to Froggy Stonks. I want to do an AMC Weekend Rundown. I'm super excited. I know everybody was pumped up on Friday. I want to talk about the tweet I put out. It's just got the breakdown of what I think is most important in the play coming up. That Friday we closed with a short interest of 22%, utilization at 100%. Q4 prelim results the week before were very positive, very bullish, and I think slightly conservative. I think they'll be much better. They're going to hit those spreads, those number spreads they did much better when they release the Q4 earnings call on March 5th. AMC short sellers long positions are down 20 to 40%. Netflix, Facebook, Affirm, Melvin, Citadel, Susquehanna, they're all down on their long positions. The market went in the dumpster, and AMC and GME stayed strong. So what happens with that is when the short sellers' long positions go down, they lose capital. When their short positions start going back up, they lose even more. So now their liquidity is in question. Margin calls are around the corner. And if the Fed meeting, the emergency Fed meeting on Monday has anything to do with hiking rates, I haven't read the agenda yet, but if they hike rates, that could cause more market distress in the stocks, causing those long positions to go down further. Now, at AMC and GME, my theory why they're not going down anymore or as much with the rest of the market because they've already been shorted into oblivion, and we're still here buying and holding and buying the dip, baby. It's awesome. I'm super excited about that. We showed a lot of strength Friday, and I'm telling you right now, it has got some short sellers scared. The Batman is selling out the March 1st prelim tickets, the advanced screening tickets that you get with your Premier or A-List, your Stubbs account. They are selling out. I'm getting reports from Chicago, California, Dallas, Sacramento, everywhere, man. They're selling out. My theater is sold out. I cannot wait to go see it. I'm taking 4 people with me. We're all real excited. $250 million savings annually in minimum interest payments. That's how much AMC has saved by refinancing the debt. I'm even more excited about that. 3 of our debts have been renegotiated to a lower interest rate of 7.5% from 10.5% and a 16% PIK loan. So they're saving a minimum of $250 million in interest annually. That does not include the other types of payments that they have to make on that. So that's a minimum saving. What you can do with that revenue is amazing to pay off the other debts. I'm really excited about it. Retail popcorn sales, I think, are going to be announced on the Q4 call, March 5th. I'm super excited about it because they hired Ellen Kopakin. She used to work for Frito-Lay's and is an executive director of marketing, and she has an amazing resume. She spent some time at Hostess, and I think there's nobody better than her to put that popcorn into those grocery stores, into these e-commerce slots that I hope they get too. Some dubbed her the popcorn princess. I like to call her the VP of popcorn, but I think she's going to do a bang-up job. 2022 major blockbuster movie lineup, absolutely killer blockbuster movie lineup. Top Gun Maverick, Jurassic Park Dominion, Avatar 2. Lightyear is going to blow the box office away. I think it's going to be amazing. Multiverse of Madness. I cannot wait to go see that. That's my movie pick of the year. And then you have Into the Spider-Verse or Across the Spider-Verse 2. Everybody wants to see Miles Morales, man. At the end of Spider-Man No Way Home, everybody reacted to the Shocker's last statement of, oh man, I know there's a black Spider-Man somewhere. We all want Miles Morales in the MCU. I can't wait to see it. Into the Spider-Verse was one of my favorite movies. This brings me into Adam Aron's tweet that everybody saw on Friday. It blew the internet up. It has now got 13.9K likes, 666 quote tweets, that's weird, 3,908 retweets. It is absolutely amazing. And I quote, in January, the official reported short interest in AMC rose by 13.8%. From 94.8 million short shares on December 31st to 107.8 million shares on January 31st. I still have an interest in 2.3 million AMC shares, so I hope those short sellers are wrong. Only time will tell. I don't know another CEO that's going to come out and tweet that he hopes the short sellers are wrong on a bet. He knows what's going on with the company. This is a message to us. It's a confidence message. I'm staying in the play. And if you want to get your tinfoil hat on, which is always fun, we always do a little bit of that. He said wrong, wrong, wrong 3 times. And he also put shares in there 3 times, which I personally believe we are 3 times the legally issued float, which would put us at 1.53 billion. I did an analysis on that based on the investor totals and share averages that Adam Aaron put out earlier last year of 4.1 million and 100 million shares average. I don't think that's entirely correct now. At 80% retail ownership, I did a poll and 2,800 people responded, and 500 shares average was the normal of that. I really believe we are 1.5 billion shares or more above the legally issued float, which is why utilization spiked to 100% out of nowhere. Cost to borrow is crazy. I cannot believe it's too low, but I'm looking for the cost to borrow to start increasing as inflation increases and the long positions go down in the market, because people are going to need to make their money back, like BlackRock and Vanguard. So that's the weekend rundown for AMC. Everybody, I really appreciate you coming. Can't wait to see you on Monday. Have a good Super Bowl, and don't forget to look up Cat Striker has Skyprint planes flying over the Super Bowl. That's going to say some pretty awesome stuff that we're all familiar with. Like, we love the stock and we love AMC. Have a good one.